Found a vintage DL animation file from an old 3D Studio project? These are early animation files from the DOS era of 3D graphics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play these classic 3D Studio animation files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the DL format and dozens of others obsolete. Users encountering a .dl file are typically dealing with legacy 3D assets from the MS-DOS era of Autodesk 3D Studio. They are searching for ways to open or convert this archaic animation format, which contains frame-by-frame animation data, to use it in modern 3D modeling or game development software. The .dl format was a binary file designed for the performance constraints of early PCs. It stored animation keyframe data such as object positions, rotations, and scaling over time. This compact, proprietary structure was optimized for quick loading and playback within the 3D Studio environment on DOS systems. The DL format operates under the official standard set by Autodesk 3ds Max from Autodesk Integria. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can load many video types, but transformations and effects require editing utilities. To guarantee file access, right-click your DL file and select Open With. If Autodesk 3ds Max is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If the DL file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the DL problem. First, playing in DDoSbox. Install DOSBox, an x86 emulator for running DOS software on modern systems. Set up the environment with classic DL viewers such as DLView or the original 3D Studio playback utilities. Mount the directory containing your DL file and launch the viewer. The animation plays in the emulated DOS environment, preserving the original viewing experience. Next, converting to modern video. Use specialized tools or virtual dub with appropriate plugins to convert DL animation files to modern video formats such as MP4 or AVI. Some legacy file format conversion tools handle DL files producing modern video output, suitable for playback on current systems and sharing through standard video platforms. Finally, using format identification. If standard tools don't recognize the DL file, investigate the specific variant using file identification utilities. Multiple animation formats use the .dl extension during the DOS era, requiring identification of the specific format before selecting appropriate playback or conversion tools. Hex inspection of file headers reveals format-specific signatures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.